I've been without a 3D printer for a month now, because a month ago it basically burned out. Well, not the whole printer, just this little part, the NTC thermistor. Huge thanks to the store I bought it from. After I sent the photos support asked for, they offered me two options: send a new board or replace the entire printer. I chose the replacement, packed everything up and sent it back. But the whole process was taking so long that I decided to order a new printer from another place and asked for a refund instead. And guess what the store said? They actually agreed! Their support was amazing. Big thanks to them. But how much longer will I have to live without a 3D printer? If you want to find out which printer I ordered, subscribe, drop your guesses in the comments, and I'll reveal everything in the next video. Maybe by then the new printer will finally be here.